It's to be expected that we'll lose communications as soon as you enter the cargo bay.
Sure thing. So many tons of steel.
Indeed. You'll have to establish a connection using one of the devices on the ship. I'm sure you'll find one in the command bridge.
I'll find that radio. No worries.
Hä? Nö, hier nicht. Ich verstehe jetzt nicht, wo ich hin muss. Ah.
Wow. It's impressive.
The Condor?
Yes.
It looked majestic in the pictures.
In real life, too. I think I know where Rahitra is. Ah. So that's their marvel of military technology. Rahitra wastes no time.
Is it attacking already?
For now, he's only released the Cyclops, as they call it.
The hell is he thinking?
It's floating majestically, 3 meters above the ground.
Ah. What does it look like? Must admit that I haven't seen any pictures of the Cyclops. The Alliance tried to keep its existence a secret.
It's big. Bigger than a transporter. Its launchers are hidden for now. But for some reason, it gives off such an unsettling impression.
Does it make any sounds?
No. It's big and quiet.
Well, if only we could get hold of its blueprints.
This is hardly the time.
I'll be able to confirm it in a while, but so far everything indicates
What is it, Astrogator?
headquarters were right about the Invincible. It's actually flying here. If I'm reading the message correctly, they'll be here in a few days. They're looking for the missing Condor. And they have no idea of the danger. In other words, it solves the mystery of why they're coming here. They're on a rescue mission.
And we would... I'm entering the cargo hold. Wish me luck.
Das ist ja auch alles tot. Alter, das ist ein Kontrast, ha? Da drüben, wo das Licht ist, Leben und hier alles tot. Ja, aber wo ist dieser Arsch mit Ohren? Also ein Ohrenarsch. Da war ja was.
I'm sorry. But you won't need this anymore.
Nö. Das glaube ich nicht, Tim. 5 Upper Deck.
Well, let's go up. Next stop, Rahitra.
Na, hast einen Darmverschluss, weil du die Augen geschlossen hast, Mädchen, ha?
Okay. Not quite at the bridge yet, but I'm getting closer. Much closer, Rahitra.
Inaktiver Lift. B1.
Oh, bollocks. What is with all these security measures? Maybe I should ask him. Rahitra?
How did you get to the upper deck?
I have a card, but now...
It doesn't work. Not everyone had access to the bridge. Next time, rob someone of higher rank. Over and out.
What an asshole.
Wieso?
It must be the medical wing.
Wieso fühle ich mich hier gerade?
Surprisingly, everything's still running.
Wieso fühle ich mich...
Was Rahitra here?
Warum fühle ich mich hier gerade wie in Alien Isolation? Erneuter Antrag auf Erlaubnis zur Arbeit an privaten Projekten. Hiermit bitte ich euch erneut um Erlaubnis mit der Weiterentwicklung von 2 Lesegeräten mit den vorläufigen Bezeichnungen Opten und Lekten. Ich möchte die Behauptung der leitenden Ingenieure widerlegen, dass es sich bei meinen Konzepten um reine Fantasiegespinste und abstruse Ideen handelt, die nicht umsetzbar sind. Genau aus diesem Grund habe ich einen Prototyp des Opton entwickelt. Ich möchte noch einmal die Grundlagen meines Konzepts erläutern. Ich bin felsenfest von der Umsetzbarkeit der kühnen Visionen aus der Feder des Fantasy-Autors mit dem Pseudonym Lehm überzeugt. Aha. In Zukunft wird das gesamte Wissen der Menschheit nicht mehr auf analogen, natürlichen Medien aufbewahrt werden. Bücher werden stattdessen die Form von Kristallplatten annehmen, in denen Wissen gespeichert werden kann. Die Kristalle können mit dem bereits erwähnten Opton ausgelesen werden. Mein Design ähnelt in seiner Form dem eines Buches, jedoch nur mit einer einzigen Seite zwischen den Buchdeckeln. Eine einzige Berührung reicht aus, um darin zu blättern. Die Vorteile. Diese Lösung ist äußerst platzsparend, ohne das ursprüngliche Leseerlebnis zu beeinträchtigen. Dies kommt unseren Bibliotheken zugute, wodurch wir die Möglichkeit, noch viel mehr Wissen an einem Ort aufzubewahren, was uns im Kampf um den Weltraum einen entscheidenden Vorteil verschafft. Hinweis: Zu Vorführungszwecken werde ich eine Geschichte zu Ehren der Invincible in Opten speichern. Bei dem zweiten Konzept, dessen Umsetzbarkeit ebenfalls von mir verifiziert wurde, handelt es sich um ein Lesegerät mit Audiowiedergabe. Dieses Gerät kann beispielsweise von Schiffspiloten verwendet werden, die auf ihren langen Reisen ihren Horizont mit Hilfe literarischer Meisterwerke erweitern wollen. Deshalb schließe ich die Möglichkeit nicht aus, die Geschichte auch im Audioformat zu präsentieren. Ich bitte hiermit darum, meinen Antrag stattzugeben, sowie um meinen Präsentationstermin zum nächstmöglichen Zeitpunkt nach unserer Abreise von Regis 3, damit ich meine Arbeit am Opten und am Lekten schnellstmöglich wieder aufnehmen kann. M. Warum fühle ich mich hier gerade so ein bisschen an Alien Isolation erinnert? Also, hier waren wir schon. Ah. In diesem Spiel hat sich alles zu einem Massengrab entwickelt, oder in der Geschichte. Professor Azuma, am 24. Tag der Mission außerhalb der Basis aufgefunden. Symptome: Bewusstseinsstörung, Akinese, Mutismus, Amnesie, keinerlei Reaktion auf komplexe Stimuli, Ursache unbekannt. Erwachen für den 46. Tag der Mission angesetzt. Zeit für Forschungsprozess 22 Tage. Aha. The future is now.
Rahitra must have given them something to calm them down. Has he in a hideout? Huh. This soporific could be useful. Although I prefer not to have to use it. Ah. Bingo. This one should do the trick. I just hope I can make it before Rahitra attacks with that bloody Cyclops. If he hasn't already.
Ja, jetzt muss ich hier nur wieder mal rausfinden aus diesem Labyrinth. Block H. Hier waren wir schon. Hier waren wir auch schon. Ich würde sagen, der Arsch hat hier alles ein bisschen abgesperrt. Na, schauen wir mal. Da müssen wir raus. Bridge.
So, you made it. Quicker than I thought. Let me invite you to the bridge, I suppose.
Were you deliberately trying to slow me down?
I didn't design these elevators, if that's what you're asking.
No, that's not it. You can clearly control them, but... Never mind.
Dirac field, ready to activate. Spherical thrower, anti-protons.
Rahitra!
Here. Now that you're here, why don't you help me?
With what?
With the probes. They're over the battlefield. I do have visuals from the Cyclops here, but I can't do everything on my own. Oh, wait. Activity's increasing. They're coming. Are you helping or not? Come on, Yasna. It's about to start. I can't wait any longer.
Na, weißt was.
All right. Have it your way. Let's destroy them. Okay, I'm ready. What am I looking at?
It'll be... number 5, a long-range one. It sees the entire perimeter.
There's the Cyclops.
Great. Force field activation.
I confirm. Field active.
Ah.
The cloud's within reach.
I'm shooting.
Ja, was soll ich jetzt machen?
The close range is dead.
No wonder. It's boiling over there.
The field is shrinking.
Calm down, Yasna. It will hold.
Whoa!
Oh, beautiful. It's not a machine, it's the devil himself. I'm telling you. Shit! I'm losing connection. Do you see anything?
They're creating a tight formation. A cyclone.
Fucking shit!
Ja, was soll ich machen? Ich kapier's nicht. Tut mir leid.
That can't be good, right? What was that?
You tell me. Can't you see anything?
The mid-range is dead.
How about the long range?
The long range works. The cloud has stopped attacking. The Cyclops is... Huh?
What is it doing? What did you see? Yasna!
The Cloud won.
What? You said...
Don't count on the Cyclops anymore. Circus must have gone haywire. It shot down the probes.
Ich habe nichts gesehen, sorry.
Now it's probably operating with a new goal. Like all those machines earlier.
I don't understand. How? This is pure madness.
Hey, at least we still have the Invincible.
Don't mock me.
I'm not mocking you, Rahitra. They really are flying here. They'll be here in about... Just hold on for a moment. I'll find out.
Hä? Verwende die Funkstation, um Kontakt zu Novik aufzunehmen. Ja, wo? Was für eine Funkstation? Seid ihr denn des Wahnsinns? Macht mich nicht fertig. Die hier? Nö. Hier.
Condor, are you there? This is the commander of the IC Dragonfly unit, Astrogator Novik.
Astrogator, this is Yasna. I managed to get to the Condor's bridge. Rahitra and I led the attack on the Cloud, but the Cyclops...
Failed?
Worse. The Cyclops got out of control and knocked down the probes.
I had a feeling it would end like this. Do you know what Rahitra is planning now?
I have no idea.
Well, then I need to talk to him.
You, sir?
Yes. Can you switch me somehow?
Okay. I'm switching you to the bridge. He should be able to hear you now. Done. Please talk.
Hello, Condor. This is Astrogator Novik, commander of the IC Dragonfly ship. I repeat, this is Astrogator Novik to the crew of the USCA Condor cruiser. Please come in.
Could you stop with all these? Rohitra, Engineer Rohitra. Among our crew, I'm the last man standing, so to speak, which I guess makes me commander. Who would have thought?
In that case, I'm making an official request to join our forces, to prevent the danger that threatens both sides.
Oh, enough, Novik. That's enough. I agree, officially and all that jazz. We're already taking steps to eliminate the threat. I'd even say that your crew is working on it pretty damn actively. We stopped playing defense and took the fight to them. The Cloud suffered significant losses. As a counterattack, though, it disrupted our communications.
Playing defense sounds a lot better than we're getting our asses kicked.
Doctor, not now, please.
No, it's true. Fighting against the Cloud is exceptionally difficult. But any opponent can be defeated. All it takes is the right tool.
Meaning what exactly? Let me remind you that we're dealing with a dispersed entity whose technological prowess is still unknown. And it has so far destabilized every machine sent its way. Even the most specialized ones.
That's why I'll keep it simple this time. No electro brains, no memory, only pure energy.
You still haven't answered me, Rahitra. Please, just tell me straight. What are you up to?
I'm arming the charges.
Arming what? Explosives, cluster munitions?
Hydrogen.
What? Rahitra? Are you serious?
Damn right. I won't leave all this unresolved.
How many warheads do you have?
54. From 30 kilos to 100 megatons.
Oh, that's quite an arsenal. Over the top, I'd say.
We really do have enough power.
That's an understatement, Doctor. That amount of energy could rip the planet to pieces.
I'm not an idiot. I won't send everything at once. I'm preparing 8 smaller warheads to start with.
And then?
We'll see.
I'm against escalating the conflict.
Huh. So much for our groundbreaking cooperation.
I didn't
Why do you jump to conclusions so quickly? How has it turned out for you so far? Clearly you lack tactical experience.
Save it, Novik. I don't need a lecture. This is my ship and my people, and it's my goddamn duty to avenge them. Period. Yasna, I know you understand. You're like me. You would do anything for your crew.
Not only do I understand you, I feel the same desire. But revenge is out of the question.
Why?
We are dealing with creations of necro-evolution. Dead evolution. And probably non-sentient ones. Taking revenge on the cloud is like...
Whipping the ocean for sinking a ship?
Exactly. Like Xerxes. While we express our suffering, rage, and frustration, we won't accomplish much. We won't harm it. We won't instill fear in it. We won't make it surrender.
I'm going to destroy it, Yasna. Not scare it, not hurt it. Exterminate every last piece of it.
You, Hitra, are still reasoning as though we were standing face to face with a thinking opponent. What if these beings are not our enemy at all?
Oh, good one. Are you forgetting how many of us they've already killed?
I will never forget for Hitra. Still, I can't help feeling that they operate without any strategic plan. They attack from one incident to another. They're non-sentient, as the doctor put it.
So what, they're stupid? And that's why they can't be hostile? It's absolute nonsense.
Well, it could be. Yasna, what do you think?
Alright, Hitra. You have no idea what we're up against. These mechanisms are just doing what they did a millennia ago. And we were the ones that provoked them.
What? How?
By coming here with all our gear, blasters, transmitters, rockets. It's like kicking a hornet's nest. They've faced countless species over millions of years. At this scale, humanity is just a blip to them.
Wait, what species are you talking about?
Dr. Yasna found various traces of conflict, lasting for hundreds of thousands of generations.
Both living organisms and mechanical creators of the cloud, as well as other products of dead evolution. The list is quite long.
Hang on. Creators?
Yes. Millions of years ago, someone must have built primordial mechanisms. Machines could have self-built in successive generations, but something must have created them first.
I don't buy it. It's like some robot fables.
No, Rachel, these are no fables. We have gathered evidence for all this.
How did these machines even get here? Who built them?
Our cyberneticist had a hypothesis before he lost consciousness.
About the Lyrans.
Yes, that one.
Lyrans. It does ring a bell. Wasn't there a book about them?
A Cranian's monograph. According to his notes, before the explosion of Zeta Lyra, the sixth planet of the system was inhabited by intelligent beings. Let's say their scout ship landed here and that a disaster occurred. Some kind of reactor explosion, chain reaction. Suffice to say, the wreckage that landed on Regis 3 had no living beings on board.
Only the machine survived.
And then what? They started bashing in each other's tin heads? Doesn't make much sense to me. Machines don't have emotions. They don't argue.
First things first. Millions of years ago, some highly advanced race sent machines to Regis 3. And these were specialized homeostatic mechanisms, left with no one to command them. As an engineer, you know well how it is. A robot does what it needs to do, whether it serves someone or not. At first, they probably just repaired themselves, or built a home for their dead masters.
Until something forced them to change.
Exactly. Certain types of predator eat anything that moves. So I'm betting they were attacked by local fauna. The key was that these machines had the ability to produce others as needed. To combat, say, flying reptiles, they started producing flying machines.
That still doesn't explain why they started fighting among themselves. Since they already defeated the living organisms, why keep producing themselves? It makes no sense.
What is a guiding principle of a homeostat? To survive. Apparently the machines pose a threat to one another. They use the same source of energy to function. A common, finite resource.
Okay, but why did some flies survive this? Not something bigger and better.
The way I see it, they were better. The best. In Necro-Evolution, the bots that used up the fewest resources won. So they miniaturized, or became sedentary. The former process gave rise to the Cloud. The latter started this bizarre genre of metal structures, resembling vegetation, which formed the city.
And they're still growing?
No. They lost the fight for survival, and now they're just rusting remnants. Only one form survived. The flying microbots that conquered all land areas on Regis 3.
So these flies were just the best adapted.
To the conditions of this planet? Yes, that's how it works.
So, to summarize, some alien race sent advanced robots to Regis 3. The local dinosaur-like monsters tried to eat them, so the robots produced other robots, which produced more and more robots, until they fell victim to their own overproduction. After a number of iterations and wars for resources, they spat out the murderous Cloud, which took over the planet.
Indeed. To put it simply,
For me, the matter is perfectly clear. Makes no sense to bomb these creatures. I'll even say it's a greater danger to us than to them.
But how else do you imagine defeating the Cloud?
But that's the thing. I don't. It's invincible. Yes, sir. Do you agree?
Well,
yeah, I very much agree. Another attack would make no difference. Just a few flies are enough for the Cloud to regenerate.
what if we destroy their nests?
No, Ritra. Unless we want to destroy the entire planet, it's impossible to eliminate them all. And even then, there's no guarantee they would die in space. After all, the flies need no air, water, or food, only solar energy.
But what else could we do, if not attack?
We can leave this place and never come back.
How so? Your commander will swoop down from orbit and pick us up? Or do you have an extra ship up your sleeve?
I'm afraid none of these.
I was thinking about a saucer, or some other vehicle from the Condor.
Don't count on it, Yasna. It's a miracle we arrived on that wreck of a saucer. Nothing else flies around here, I checked. Huh. Done. Warheads are armed. One more press of a button, and there'll be no turning back. I can't.
That was close.
I'm suspending all actions leading to conflict. But what should I do now?
We no longer have any landers. So I hate to say it, but I can't help you. And believe me, I would like nothing better.
I'd prefer to fly away from here. Go back home.
I'm sorry, Yasna. If only I could switch places with you.
I know.
I need to check on my people. Good talk, Navik.
Likewise, Rahitra.
Join me whenever you can. No rush.
Yeah, thanks. So, he's gone.
Doctor. Yasna, it was truly an honor. I'm having a hard time finding the right words.
I have one last request.
I'm listening.
I'd like Koval to remember me, even just from your stories.
Of course. I'll let everyone know what you did for them.
No, I don't care about gratitude. I just want them to know who I was. I am.
All right. I will try to do justice in capturing your extraordinary character. Although I must admit, it's not an easy assignment.
As always. I'm not making anything easier for you, Novik.
As always, Yasna.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you, and take care. Over and out.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You look...
Like shit. I know.
really tired. That's what I meant to say.
Because you're trying to be polite. The undeniable truth is, I look and feel like shit. Will you close it for me?
Of course. Support and stimulants will help you.
I won't sleep. I can't. You know that. I have to endure somehow.
I admit I would do the same in your place. Thinking about losing yourself, your memories, it scares me. But that doesn't mean I should help you hurt yourself. Primum non nocere.
You're not hurting me, Asta. You'll actually make sure I don't hurt myself. Like the dumbass I am. It's a strange feeling. Remaining conscious in the hibernator.
You clearly haven't visited the infirmary often. This is a standard procedure for a long recovery.
Will you take another look at Landor and Spluskas?
Ja, ich entschuldige mich, das war jetzt ziemlich lang
Sure, I
und
can.
zäh.
Though, I doubt their condition has changed.
Thank you. But you're still wondering whether to go to the nest. This is probably your last chance. If you want to make it before the Invincible arrives, it would be good to have you here. When they come, the journey there and back will take you about 12 hours.
No, I'm not going. I know it's a unique opportunity to get closer to this phenomenon, and I might never get another chance. But I've thought about it a lot, and I'd rather stay here with you. Now rest. You should save your strength for their arrival. Too heavy, hands become. Down you go, oh bright sun. Night is not that scary. At last, they've arrived. Rahitra, do you hear? They're landing now.
Ja, ich würde gern schauen, aber das Spiel lässt mich gerade nicht. Jetzt.
Petra?
Ein sehr abruptes Ende, ha? Ja. Gibt's eigentlich hier nicht viel zu sagen. Ich hole mir das Buch, ich will das Buch lesen. Und mehr kann ich dazu auch nicht sagen. Es war wirklich mal etwas ganz anderes, als was ich sonst immer spiele. Aber ja, mehr kann ich dazu nicht sagen. Ich will auch nicht mehr sagen. Zu viel wäre jetzt auch nicht gut. Weniger ist oft mehr. Ich hoffe, du hattest jetzt ein bisschen Spaß an dieser Geschichte. Mal was ganz was anderes. Und mal schauen, was als nächstes kommt. Keine Ahnung. Also dann, bis zum nächsten Mal. Und ich hoffe, du hattest trotz allem ein bisschen einen Spaß in der Geschichte hier. Baba derweil.